Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market.
Today, we have something special in store for all you tech enthusiasts out there.
It's the ultimate cleaning solution for your beloved gadgets. The Laptop Screen Keyboard Cleaner Kit by Tassempator.
Stay tuned because we're about to show you why this is the best Mac cleaner available in the market. Now, we all know how important it is to keep our electronic devices clean. Whether it's your MacBook, iPad, iPhone, or even your camera lens. Dust, fingerprints, and smudges can be a real nuisance, affecting both the performance and the aesthetics of your gadgets. But fear not, because the Laptop Screen Keyboard Cleaner Kit is here to save the day. First and foremost, this kit is all about deep cleaning. It comes with a range of tools designed to tackle every nook and cranny of your electronic devices. From mobile phones to laptops to cameras and more, this kit has got you covered. Inside the compact case, you'll find a retractable large brush, 2 polishing cleaning cloths, a keycap puller, a metal pen tip,
a flocking sponge, a thin soft brush, a soft plastic lens cleaning pen, and even 5 replacement cloths. That's a complete arsenal for keeping your gadgets spotless. One of the standout features is the Professional Keyboard Cleaning Kit. It includes a retractable brush that works wonders on laptops and keyboards. The mini high-density brush is perfect for cleaning between those tricky flat keys, and the metal pin tip helps remove stubborn stains. Say goodbye to those annoying crumbs and smudges. Now, let's talk about the screen cleaner tool. This kit includes a recyclable cleaning spray and a specially designed 2 mm thick polishing cleaning cloth. It's angled just right to fit the corners of your screens perfectly, ensuring a streak-free, spotless finish every time. But wait, there's more. This kit is a multifunctional powerhouse. It even comes with tools for cleaning DSLR camera screens, lenses, and other delicate surfaces. Plus, there are extra cleaning cloths for replacement, so you'll always have a fresh one at hand.
Now, a word of caution.
When using liquid cleaners, make sure to turn off and unplug your devices. Follow the cleaning kit's manual for best practices. And always wipe the screen gently in one direction to avoid scratches. Your gadgets deserve the best care, and this kit makes it super easy. In conclusion, the Laptop Screen Keyboard Cleaner Kit by Tassempator is a must-have for anyone who loves their electronic devices. It's compact, versatile, and, most importantly, highly effective. Your gadgets will thank you for it. And here's the best part. It's available on Amazon at an exclusive prime price right now. So, be sure to check it out using the link in the description below. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews.
Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your gadgets clean and your tech game strong.